Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another messy house tour. I haven't done one in a little while and I know you guys really enjoy them. I enjoy doing them because they definitely inspire me to tackle what is ahead of me when I really don't want to clean and I am so not in the mood. It's a beautiful sunny day here finally, and there are so many things I would rather be doing than cleaning the house. But it has to get done. There's no way around it. It's just mom life, you know, you gotta get the job done. So I love sharing it with you guys because it certainly does give me that push to tackle it and be done with it. So it's just about 10 o'clock in the morning now and I'm hoping to get everything done by 12-ish if I can, by lunchtime. And then I'll have a few hours left before I have to get the kids from school, just to do some other work that I need to do, some kind of like desk work that I need to get done. And maybe I'll have time to take a good walk with the dog. I've been trying to do that a lot more often lately, just try to get out there for like a half an hour, get some exercise and some fresh air. So let's turn the camera around and I will show you the current condition of my messy house. We'll clean it up and I will show you the final product. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll start here in the bedroom. My bedroom is really getting messy. I have so much going on in here between filming YouTube, and you guys probably know by now, I also am working, helping people plan their Walt Disney World trips. So I was up bright and early this morning, and I have both of my computers going here and here. I was actually booking a bunch of dining for a couple of families, so that is all still out with my coffee mug over there. Haven't made my bed yet, and I definitely need to clean up my dresser a little bit. Still need to pick up all the pillows from the floor and make the bed. Here is a bag of clothing that needs to be given away to donation. We're not going to look at the kids' rooms because I'm not even going there. Okay, so let's see what the bathroom is looking like. All right, so everyone was getting ready this morning and all the stuff is still out. My makeup and my hair stuff, my daughter's toothbrush, that all needs to be put away. Some cleanup to do over here as well. You can probably hear I already have laundry going. And now let's go downstairs and see what's going on down there. Okay, the entryway isn't too bad. I actually set up a table this past weekend at a local fair with all of my Disney vacation planning stuff, so all of this still needs to be put away. I don't even know if I'm going to do that today. I might just like shove that in my closet somewhere. I'm more interested in cleaning. Looks like the cat needs a little bit of food. All right, let's give the cat some food. Poor kitty cat's starving. There you go. Okay. Oh, I think the dog needs food too. What am I doing today? All right. Hello, Leo. Whoa. Did you? Whoa, you're on my camera. Stop. Did you need food too? All right, let's go feed Leo quick before we get into this whole cleaning thing here. All the animals need to eat. Shake it off, Leo, shake it off. Fluff it up. All right, come on, let's go eat. And this is why I never get anything done. I am always distracted with other stuff. Good thing none of the kids are home because they would be looking for snacks right now too. Okay, Leo. Feeding the dog. Good boy, Leo. Go get it. Okay, since we landed in the kitchen, this is the condition of the kitchen. I have to wipe down the counters. I just have random stuff still thrown about. I really don't have any dishes to take care of, which is good. Some recyclables to get rid of, just some clutter over here. A puppy who really wants to go outside is gonna have to wait a little bit. And that is really it for the kitchen. The dining room isn't too bad. I have a few things that I could put away. Definitely need to dust. The dust has been so bad this time of year. I could literally dust every single day. And let's head into the living room. Okay, so Leo has taken over the living room. This is like his room anymore. So the couch needs to be cleaned up. And this couch also needs to just be tidied up, all of the pillows and whatnot. It looks like Madison still has her homework out. And these dog toys, look at this big dog bone that Leo got for his birthday. This bone is enormous. And he dropped it on my foot, and that really hurt bad. It's like the bone of a T-Rex. This is the biggest bone I have ever seen. Okay, so I gotta clean up Leo's toys. This side of the room isn't bad. Always stuff out for the fish tank here. I put this hamper over here to keep those buckets in, just so it looks a little bit nicer, but my husband doesn't want to follow through and do it, so. All right, so this isn't too bad either. I definitely need to get some dusting done. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but the dust is bad. And I have dusted, like, look at that. I just dusted like 3 days ago, and it's already a mess. Okay, so I was in the middle of cleaning up the bathroom And I got a text message from the dog groomer asking where Leo was. Apparently I totally forgot that he had his grooming scheduled for today. And as I was about to take him to the groomers, I had a lady call me who wanted me to take over her Disney trip for this upcoming July. And my phone will not stop dinging because after that, I spoke with her for a while. I'm trying to help manage her trip, and then somebody else just reached out to me that they want to go on a cruise in July, and it's kind of right around the corner. It's pretty close. But I have to clean the house. This is why it's so hard working from home, because like you have to get the house stuff done and you want to work, but you have to really find a happy medium. It's almost 12 o'clock already. I didn't even eat yet, and all right, real life stuff, guys. So I'm going to really try to quickly tidy the house as best as I can, super quick dust, kind of vacuum where I absolutely need to, and that's gonna have to be it for today. So trying to do the best that I can, but it is not always ideal. Let's get back to work. Okay guys, so I'm done to the best of my abilities for the day. You know, I'm having a really hard time that I've added some things to my plate recently. YouTube is very time consuming. You may not realize it if you're not a YouTuber, but the filming and the editing, and even once you upload it to YouTube, there is another process that you kind of need to go through. So that has pretty much been one of my main priorities for the longest time. But now that I am also juggling some other stuff and helping families plan vacations and things, I'm really having a hard time keeping up with the housework. So please, you moms that are out there working and keeping up with the house and the laundry and the meals, please, in the comments below, give me some help, leave me some tips. How do you manage to juggle it all? I guess it's never going to be perfect and it's never going to meet my expectations, but I feel like I'm really slacking. Maybe I just have to get into a new groove. I don't know. But please, any advice, any help, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my messy house tours. They're only going to get messier as the months go on. And please go ahead and follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram because I share lots of stuff over there as well. I hope that you guys all have a great week. Take care. Bye.